Hello, everyone, and welcome back to UCA News. I'm Dino.
I'm Gavin. We're super excited for today's episode. Today, not only do we have 3 anchors, but we also have 3 announcements.
And now I'm AJ with my cute dog. First off, count day is October 2nd. So be sure to log in and complete a lesson. If you don't complete a lesson, your teacher will start calling every single hour until you complete one lesson.
Secondly, the first day of fall was last Saturday. We hope you're getting fall weather wherever you are in Utah right now.
Lastly, overall course completion should be at 28% today and 32% by Friday. With that, our first segment of the day is all about course completion. We'll go to it now. How's school going?
Everything is going great. In my live lesson today, our teacher told us that we were 25% done with this semester. That's wild. The semester just started.
Does that mean I should have 25% of my work done for each class?
That's exactly what it means.
Awesome. I'm totally at 25%, without a doubt. Hey, my friend was wondering how they could check how much work they have completed.
It's called a course completion, and it's a super easy way to check. Would you like me to show you? So you can show your friend, of course?
I would love that. They would love that.
Okay, so it's as easy as clicking on your gradebook.
Okay, I can do that.
Once in your gradebook, you can look at the lesson completion column to see your progress in each class.
That's awesome. I never noticed that before. All of my classes should be at 25% today.
Yes, if you have year-long classes, the numbers will be different.
How can I find out how far along I should be in those classes?
Another great question. You can always ask your teacher or advisor, or you can go to UCA.school. Once you're there, you go to resources, and then bam, click course completion guide.
That's awesome. Thanks for showing me that. It looks like I can type in uca.school/course completion to get here as well.
That's right. Do you think you'll be able to teach your friend how to do this?
Confession time. It was me. I didn't know how to find my course completion.
I figured. Don't worry. Hey, you want to play Rocket League?
You betcha.
We appreciate you and all your hard work as students. Thank you for doing your part.
I wish finding something to do was a breeze.
Oh, really? Well, I do have a segment for you two. No favor returned. Mika's Minute of Sex.
Did you know that we will have 2 solar eclipses coming up in the next year? The first one will be occurring next month on October 14th, and the annular solar eclipse, which means it will be a partial solar eclipse, will pass through most of southern Utah and some of northern. With the total eclipse, it will pass through Texas all the way through Maine. The eclipse happening later this year will occur on April 8th, 2024. A solar eclipse is where the sun and the moon perfectly overlap, where the moon covers most of the sun and blocks the sunlight, which can make it look like it's almost 40% brightness, as bright as it usually is during the day. Or a total eclipse where they perfectly overlap and it looks like the night sky outside.
Awesome. I've always loved science. Great job, Mika.
Some people tell me that I kind of look like Mika. I just don't see it.
Now that you mention it, you could be brothers.
Don't we have a segment to get to? This week's learning tip comes to us from Zane.
We'll talk about the brother thing later, but that's right. Zane is going to show us an interesting learning notes. Take it away, Zane.
Did you know that there's more than just one way of taking notes? Each way of taking notes can be unique to a certain person, but here are some other ways I found taking notes for me. The butter on the chair is melting because it is not in the shade, and the thermal energy is being transferred to the butter. The butter in the shade right here is not molten because it's not receiving any thermal energy. This is a type of note creating called doodle notes. It's where you draw pictures to show what you are learning.
I've used the doodle note strategy before. It can be really helpful.
Speaking of helpful, here's some helpful information that may come in handy the next time you're in a trivia contest. It's time for Fact of the Week.
Fact of the week. Da-da-da.
Did you know that giraffes have the same amount of neck bones as humans?
These episodes just fly by. We saved a great segment for you.
That's true. We have a ton of incredible clubs here at UCA. One of those clubs is the Elementary Cooking Club. Last week, the club met and made some delicious cookies. Let's go to Sailor and find out more.
Hello, I'm Sailor, and today we're going to learn more about the Elementary Cooking Club. Today I am joined by a very special guest. Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, I am Mrs. Parr, and I teach first grade, and I am one of the teachers who does cooking club. And Mrs. Sutherland, she is our other first grade teacher, and she also does cooking club. It's so much fun.
What is Cooking Club?
Cooking club, we meet twice a month, twice a month. We meet every other Wednesday, so the first Wednesday and the third Wednesday of every month. It's at 2:00, and we just do different recipes. Like on Wednesday, we made applesauce chocolate chip cookies. They were so yummy. So we just make different recipes, and sometimes the kids give us recipe ideas, and sometimes just me and Mrs. Sutherland, we come up with recipes too.
Is it too late to join the Cooking Club?
Oh, never. It is never too late, Sailor. You can join at any time you want. If you're interested, there is a link on the school's website, and you can go to the Cooking Club sign up link on the school's website under clubs and just click, I want to join Cooking Club, and then we will get you all the information. It's so much fun. Please join.
What grades can join the Cooking Club?
So this year we are doing kindergarten to 6th grade. So it is quite a range. And if you have siblings, we just turn on we turn on our computers and we go into Zoom class, and we turn on our computers in the kitchen, and we all have our ingredients and we're cooking.
Can my learning coach help me if I'm not sure how to use the oven?
Absolutely. Yes, we want learning coaches to help. We want you to feel safe. So definitely help have an adult with you, whether it's your learning coach or your mom, your dad, grandma, whoever is home. Definitely come and ask some help, and you'll do great.
Thank you for
You're welcome.
letting me interview you.
You are welcome. You're welcome. But yeah, so we meet the first Wednesday and the second Wednesday at 2:00. Anyone is welcome to join kindergarten through 6th grade, and I hope to have so many more friends come and join us next time.
Thank you, Stella. And welcome to the news team. Those cookies looked tasty, and clubs look like a lot of fun. If you're interested in finding out more about our clubs, and check out uca.school/club.
We have a Minecraft club and Dungeons and Dragons.
I see you found the list on our website. Well, everyone, this has been another episode of UCA News.
Remember that next Monday, October 2nd, remember that, is count day.
That means that every student needs to log in and complete a lesson.
We'll be back next week. We hope you all have a great week. And remember, we're
UCA.
A.